All right, so I'm talking about a break-even point. What is a break-even point? Break-even point. It's where your revenue or your cost is equal to your revenue, okay? So the amount of money that you're bringing in is the same exact amount of money you're putting out. All right, no profit is what it means. Profit is zero, yes. All right, so a company that manufactures running shoes has a fixed cost of $300,000. Additionally, it costs $30 to produce each pair of shoes. They are sold at $80 per pair. Write the cost function C of producing X pairs of running shoes. So, tell me about the cost. How much is it costing this company to produce those shoes?
300,038.
Good.
Plus
$300,000 is the fixed cost. And additionally, and add $30 to produce each pair of shoes. So $30 per each pair.
What type of shoes are they selling?
Converse, Skechers.
B.
Zigzags.
Excuse me. B says write the revenue function R from the sale of X pairs of running shoes. So now we're after the revenue. How much they're going to bring in. So what's the revenue? $80 per pair, right? So 80 per pair means times X. And then C says, determine the break-even point. Describe what this means. Well, what did we say the break-even point was? You don't gain nor lose. Why? Because your cost is equal to your revenue. All right, well, we can substitute what these are in here. What was my cost?
300,000 plus 38.
Good. Equals, substitute in what was revenue.
88.
And can we solve for X? Because we want the break-even point. So we're looking for an ordered pair of point. We want an X and a Y. So what am I going to do? Good. And so 300,000 equals 50X. Now what?
Divide by 50.
And so we get X equals
6,000.
good. So now that we know X, how are we going to solve for Y? Plug it in which one? It doesn't matter?
No.
Why does it not matter?
They're both going to be the same number.
They're equal. Good. So to find Y, we're going to substitute X into either equation and solve. So which one you want to use? C of X or R of X?
R.
Why R of X? Because it's shorter? Okay, very good reason. I agree. All right, so we said it was 80X. Oops, I don't know why I put 60,000. Sorry. 6,000. And so the revenue when they sell 6,000 shoes is?
480,000.
And if you wanted to, you could go find C of 6,000, but guess what you're going to get?
480,000.
You're going to get the same thing, okay? So it doesn't matter because we said they were equal. Now, it says describe what this means.
They put in just as much as they make.
Okay, so when they sell 6,000 pairs of shoes, they make the same amount. I don't know, I'm just going with this. make the same amount that it cost them, or that it cost, which is what number?
480,000.
480.
All right. What else does that mean? What about the profit?
They don't make no profit.
The profit is $0. How do you find profit?
Take the total cost and the revenue cost and subtract them.
Profit is equal to the revenue minus the cost, right? Remember that?
Yep.
And so if they're equal, then it's going to be 0.
Yep.
All right. That'll work.